Hey guys, today on It's Live, I have the lovely Gaby.
I thought I was going to do that part.
Oh.
Hola, soy Gaby en la cocina de Bon Appétit y hoy le voy a enseñar a Brad Leone cómo hacer empanadas argentinas.
Yes.
Bon Appétit y hoy le voy a enseñar a Brad Leone. I should sit here and tell you what to do.
Yeah, you've been doing that for 2 years, Gaby.
2.5.
All right, be nice.
Are you ready? I can
So
use
Gaby,
my
pretty much,
hand.
so I've never really made an empanada. I helped
Okay.
you once before when you were developing this recipe, which is published. So if you do want to make these empanadas, check them
Yes.
out, bonappetit.com.
Exactly.
So I'm here to help you, Gaby. Teach me. You are the chef, and I am the
Thank you.
sous chef.
Thank you. First thing we're gonna do.
Oh, Annie.
Hey.
Annie, you got some wicked holes in your shirt. Did you? How much was that shirt? Like $300?
No, I got into it raw last night.
We're gonna heat up some oil.
Oh, some Earl.
But
2
we-
tablespoons or 1?
The 2 tablespoons.
2.
And you gotta open the meat. I can do that for you. Or maybe I get gloves.
I'll do it. We don't need
Okay.
gloves.
Show off. There you go.
You know, stinking scissors. This ain't art class.
Not everybody.
Gabby, who taught you how to
Oh, I was gonna.
Alright, stand by.
Damn it. Damn it.
My grandmother probably. I mean, not
Don't
that
answer
she
the question yet, please.
purposely told me.
Oh, Jesus Christ, she's not
Dale.
stopping. I wanted to ask you, where'd you learn how to make empanadas?
Empanadas are made very often in Argentina and Buenos
Before I
Aires.
was born.
Before you were born,
You
yes.
don't look a day older than 28, Gabby.
I know. Thank you.
I'm 33, so.
I'm not afraid of saying my age. I'm 49.
Right,
so,
rock
yay.
and roll. Look at you.
I guess I learned by watching my grandmother probably making them. I mean, they made them for birthday parties, special occasions, holidays. But I'm gonna go check the meat.
Yeah, check the meat. I'll finish up these onions. We'll save this for later. Okay.
We need to chop the peppers.
All right, let's do it. It's fun cooking with people, cooking with friends. Right, Gabby?
I'm Brad Leone's friend.
Yeah, we've been friends for a while, Gabby.
We are friends. So this is browning. It takes maybe 8 minutes. And the idea is that you want to have a good amount of fat left over there to cook the rest of the ingredients. I'm having a lot of fun. That's more than plenty. Stop that. Stop that right now.
Got a mouth like a sailor.
You're gonna pick up all the meat, trying to leave as much,
Clumpy?
no, as much fat as possible. You
In the pan.
In the pan.
Smart move, Gabby.
Yeah, that's,
So a good slotted spoon.
that's your flavor there.
So I'm simmering away here our fat and our beef juices. So I'm
Awesome.
going to add the peppers and the onions.
Perfect. It's like you're reading my mind. We're ready for some salt and pepper.
Make it rain salt, like Adam Perry Lang. He's a chef.
Really?
I'll give it a little stir, and that'll help draw out the moisture in the onions and peppers too.
Yes.
Get them real nice and sweaty. Gabby, I noticed you dressed pretty appropriately with your
For the
earrings. Have you ever eaten with them?
No.
Well, in a pinch, you know. Oh,
Yeah, it's like I'm in a
forgot
hurry.
my fork. Well,
Good
Good for
job.
camping.
You want them?
No, I don't have a pierced ear. But you know what I always kind of wanted, Gabby?
What?
Like the real small little stud.
You know.
I don't like the idea of
I
it
don't
being.
see you. I mean,
no,
let me
man, I
see.
know some people like you know, like Tupac. You know, they look cool as hell.
I don't know.
Always wanted one of those. Now, what are we gonna do? We're gonna
Add all the spices.
sweet paprika,
Yeah, pimenton. Sweet paprika.
pimenton. Ooh, it's a lot.
I'm gonna do the oregano
Yeah, I love that.
and the cayenne pepper.
Yeah, it looks a little oxidized.
Last but not least, comino. And now I have the secret ingredient.
What do you got there?
Your stock, I stole it from the freezer.
Well, for this application, it's fine.
So we're gonna put it in there.
That's a nice stock.
Sugar.
Oh, a little sugar.
If you are not a fan of sugar, you don't have to put it on. This is a very typical thing of Argentinians that they like to have sweet and
Sweet
savory.
like you, Gabby.
Thank you. And I also have a measured amount of salt.
More salt.
Because if you notice,
Okay,
we
yeah.
haven't put any salt
Just
on
a
the
little
meat.
bit.
Yeah. We're gonna simmer it for about 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes.
We have the wonderful Goya cocktail
okay,
olives. Hey, nothing wrong with Goya. And what do we got here?
The one thing I recommend always people to do is just take them off a jar and give it a nice rinse. Oh, I love them.
Because the brine's a little salty.
Right. So
Smart cookie.
they can make your empanadas super salty. It happened. I learned it the hard way. For a
Okay.
minute in my life, I was selling empanadas
Oh.
to make a living. I like to put 2 halves in each empanada
Oh,
so
geez.
nobody complains.
That's the cutest thing
But
in
we
the
can
world.
do this at the end when you're filling them.
So, Gabby, I know you slipped a little sentence in there real quick that in another life you used to sell empanadas. Come on, this is something this is new to me. I don't
The
know this
first-
about you.
When I was in college in Argentina, I sold empanadas and cakes. And a few years back, here in the States, I actually got a license as a vendor in Jersey City, and I did sold empanadas for a living for quite a bit.
How much did you sell an empanada for?
Oh, $3, sir.
Good, let's double it.
Yes, there you go.
For these guys, it's up to 10.
If you're in a hurry, you can actually fill an empanada with hot filling, but I do not recommend it. So what I recommend is to chill this. Any bread that you filled up. Actually, you don't know that.
I don't know.
You know what
that.
empanada means?
No, oh, Gabby. Hey, Gabby, I was wondering, what does empanada mean?
It's empanada. It's inside something like bread. Pan is bread in Spanish. So it means to put some sort of protein inside some doughy thing or bready
Bread.
thing. Every culture has something that is a dough
Right.
and a filling inside.
Right, like a ravioli or a dumpling or an
Yeah.
empanada. It's all
Yeah.
kind of.
Right.
Hey! Oh, get him in here!
Hi.
All right, how you doing, Brad?
Hi, nice to meet
Gabby.
you. Hi.
Uncle John.
I drink a lot of water. Why do you think I'm peeing all day? Sorry, don't. Now we're gonna add the raisins. We could have had them before, like 10 minutes ahead. So go.
Yep. And if you don't like raisins, don't put them in.
Thank you.
How you like that? Ooh, watch your hands.
I'm fine.
Watch your phalanges.
Been burned many
Those are
times.
fingers, I think, right? Phalanges?
I'm not sure.
Phalanges. Phalanges and what's the other one?
I don't know. I only speak Spanish and English.
Well, I'm speaking English. All right, so we'll pop this in the fridge, and like you said, you can do this a couple days ahead. Whew! Ice cold. Should we do that again? Great. So the lovely Gabby, actually, made a little swappo yesterday because we want this, like we said, you want this to be cold when you're working it. For the sake of time, we usually don't do swaps, but this don't make a difference. All right, get the door, Vinny.
He got it.
Thanks, Vinny.
He's an octopus.
Delaney. Boy, this is a lot of work. I would be charging her $11 now.
That's why I stopped doing it. Because people will call and be like, hey, can I have half a dozen empanadas? My ass. No.
looks like-
I use a store-bought dough. You can make your own dough.
Gabby, it's expired.
No.
2009? What year is it? I always think it's 2019. It's not, right?
Wait, when is this going to air?
Wait, what year is it? 2018. I'm just playing with you guys. I know what time it is. All right, so we don't need all these.
No. Goya.
This episode brought to you by...
So
Yeah, let's fill these bad boys.
All
Show
right.
me the way.
you put it in the middle.
What about the olives?
So you get 2 pieces and you put it right there.
Okay.
So everybody gets 2 pieces of olive.
I want 3.
And nobody. Okay, this one's for you. I'm essentially trying to stick the 2 parts together and have a good seal.
A good seal.
Yeah. Seal, not the mammifero. Seal.
The what?
What?
Kiss from a Rose. I seen Batman.
My grandma used the fork method, and that's totally okay.
So we're just gonna make little lines?
Yeah. Press hard,
Ah.
so you seal.
Gotcha.
Nice. Brad, your first empanada. We should name it something.
Professional. Nice, huh?
I don't do the fork.
Oh.
When I was selling them, I
Setting
did.
me up for failure right out
When I
of the gate.
was selling them, I did the fork because they actually look kind of bigger. And this is the part that I'm gonna teach you right now.
Yeah.
The most important one is
Yeah.
called repulgue.
Sure it is.
Say it.
Say it again.
Repulgue.
Repurgue.
Repulgue.
Repulgue.
Okay. That means closing it in a gracious manner. Okay, so put it like this. You fold that, and then you fold one more, and you're crimping. If
I
it
don't
doesn't-
like this one. Can I just use the fork?
But that doesn't matter. You know what? It's personality. People
Oh,
will
wow.
do it.
Yours looks way better than mine.
You got too much water on that one.
This one's a real Frankenstein.
All right, don't worry. As long as it's sealed, we'll eat it. And this is the reason why you don't do it when the... Oh my God, I didn't even know. Wait, yay.
All right, let's go back to work.
Wait. Move over, Leone. This is my show now. It's dead.
All right, Gabby, I can't help myself.
What, Brad?
I'm getting a little excited. I'm getting a little inspiration here. I got a big crock of sauerkraut going.
Cool.
Can I make a couple sauerkraut infused? You know, a little It's Alive, a little Zingo Bingo, a little sauerkraut to the party.
Sure, why not?
Right? Let's have fun. Well, you know, with these gloves. So wasteful. I'm over the gloves. You know, I'm done. If this one breaks, I'm never using a glove again. I don't want to hear about your tips either, okay?
Brad, maybe they're too small for you.
No, I don't like big spaggy gloves either. I like a nice
Yeah, but
tight.
that's the reason why they're breaking. Ay.
Oh, what's that? Gabby, I'm just going to take a little bit of filling so I don't contaminate your Argentinian perfection with my concoction of kraut. This is the North Jersey, this is the Argentinian North Jersey fermented empanada version.
I love this.
Yeah, a lot of fun.
I'm doing nothing and you're working.
What else is there?
That's perfect. We can sell that one.
We're gonna, it's $12.
Muy bien.
Muy bien.
Yo pensé que iba a hablar en español en este video.
Simón, prima.
Me van a hacer traducir todo lo que estoy diciendo.
No.
Sí.
So we have our oven set for $375.
The
Do we need to
cooking.
spin them at all?
We will.
Okay. Here, put the goblini on. Gabby, it's fall. It's cold out today. Yeah.
Why is it
But you gotta
too
do one more
tight?
fold.
Do I look like...
Gabby, I would never steer you wrong. Just keep folding until it's nice and tight. Gabby did such a great job teaching me how to do empanadas today. I gifted her with her own classic goblini.
Can I keep it?
No,
This is f***ing hard in my brain.
no, don't overthink it.
You know, this is hard for me. Because I know. Brad.
Here's the upstate New Jersey sauerkraut empanadas. And then here's the tradish. Ooh, they're hot little mamas. Oh!
Yours are great. These three because they were on the top of the oven.
Say that again.
Yours are great.
Oh, thank you, Gabby. It was all my teacher. I learned everything from you.
Don't do this at home, children. But this is what I used to do with my brother. Make a hole in each end. And you blow the steam.
Oh! It's great. The filling is just super satisfying. It's almost, it kind of just reminds me of, it's a comfort food.
It is.
If it was cold out, if it was hot out, if you're feeling sick, if you're hungover, whatever, I feel like this like
hungover is
hits
the
the
best.
spot, you know? Let's try the little sauerkraut bomb,
Please
huh?
do.
Oh, that one's for you because it looks like the best one. Nice.
I like it. You're into
Adds a
something.
little crisp, little biteness. Which kind of opens everything up a little bit. I really like that.
I
I
like
would even
it.
put more in it. You want to try an empanada?
Yes, I've been lingering. I love the green olives in the class,
Thank
That's
you.
what I said.
but I can't put it in my pocket if he cuts it.
Yeah. Kind of a perfect food.
Yeah.
Gabby, thank you so much for
No,
teaching
you're
me your
welcome.
ways. I'm glad we could riff around a little bit, throw a little sauerkraut in it. Let's go share some empanadas with the
Yay.
gang. We'll give Vinny one. He worked hard today. And bon appetit.
Thank you. Oh, bye. You know what Venmo is?
Venmo?
Venmo.
Venmo.
Yes.
What's that?
What's people send you money and you can pay people money?
Yeah, I'll leave my account that you can just send money to in the comments. Feel free. It's a minimum of $20. I'll split it with Gabby. 2 tablespoons. Put 2 tablespoons of empanada filling into the center of the dough. Add 2 halves of olives. All right, Vinny, back up here.
I started working here in June 2016. Thank you, Andy. But why don't you say why you hired me? Why?
You had the best attitude.
Oh, thank you.
What really stood out to me is when after we did our little walk around and our talk and this and that, yada yada, she said bye to everyone. She was like, bye everyone, have a good weekend. She was very friendly, and you can't teach that.
I am
We could
friendly.
teach her how to do everything else. Luckily, we didn't really have to because she's very good. but can't teach people how to be nice people. I mean, look at Andy.
Thank you.
Don't say that. Oh my God.